interpolation. Okay, let's go down to the next one. This is going to be an S shape. So I'm going to click in here. Now, if you can't get to these handles, you may need to move forward a little bit so that you can actually access the keyframe. So I'm going to come in here, click on the keyframe, need to go forward a little bit more. There's my direction handle. I'll pull this one down, and I'll pull this one up to create our S shape, something like that. The next one I'm doing is called up and out. So I'm going to go up and out. So I'm going to take this way out to the side. So it's going to go clear off the screen and then come back in. Maybe I'll pull it down a little bit so that we stay in screen up at the top. And the final one is going to be roller coaster. So this one's just going to go up on one side and down on the other. So we're going to go up here and then down here, just like a roller coaster. So let's play this. Okay. So they're all going at exactly the same speed. The temporal keyframes are all set to linear. And it is the spatial interpolation that is causing them to move in such a playful manner.